Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Dee.
I'm Kelly.
And we are Sisters of Stitchcraft. Clink. Sorry, I did it. We have been trying
I'm sorry, I had to do it.
I had to do it. A box. Can't do it away because that will cost my thing off. Apologies again.
Rip it.
Yes, this is my 77 box. Studio 77 box. Oh, it isn't a rippy one.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. There it is. And I haven't done my unboxing yet, so as we're together and we just got back from Stitch Festival, I thought I'd unbox because Kelly doesn't get it anymore because she's doing the last row standing.
Which is good, it will give me a chance to actually make up some of the ones I have got.
Sorry.
That's okay. Hide your address.
Haven't done the address.
People turning up.
What's in here?
Ooh, what's the spec?
Oh, this is the thing that wasn't right in the last one.
Yes.
That makes no sense whatsoever, but I'm sure if you watch our unboxing, you'll know.
Did we do one?
Yeah, we did.
Did we do one? I don't
We had the
know.
whole conversation about what's wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Oh, yeah.
It was the wrong size.
That's right, yeah.
So, yeah, I'd forgotten that was coming.
Oh.
There's a bonus little
Oh,
sticker in there too.
Special sticker.
And that says, when life gives you lemons, make bags.
Oh, that's cute.
That is cute.
It's very cute.
Very so fruity on par.
Yes.
Lots of so fruities
I like
going on
both
today.
fruity.
Right, so there's your there, Kelly. You can hopefully lift it out easier than me. What have we got in here then? Oh, that's the other reason you needed me to do it, because you like to take my teas, don't you? We actually spent a long time in Bird and Blend.
Oh, that was the Deep Breaths one.
Yeah, and it was quite an amazing experience.
We did, and to be fair, due to the fact that we've had so many teas in here that I've really liked, and I really wanted to go in there, so we did.
Yeah.
It was only 3 minutes away from the hotel we were staying in, so I dragged her and Lucy, the sewing gardener, in there.
And it was actually very, very good.
I recommend a visit.
This has got licorice and ginger. No, I love licorice and ginger. That's fine.
That's
it's got
good.
chamomile, but I'm thinking the licorice will overpower the chamomile.
I would think so, and
So
I
might
don't
keep
like
this
licorice.
one. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. That works out well.
I don't feel guilty. So I've never really been a fan of flavoured teas, and Kelly usually gets mine. But after being in there and having a little bit of education on tea, I think I'm going to try that one.
And you've really enjoyed the one that
I've
you
really
bought,
enjoyed the one I
haven't you?
bought.
The
Yeah,
sleepy
now that I've
ones.
had some, she helped me decide which one and stuff like that.
Share dreams.
Who knew you could get tea advice like that?
It's amazing.
It's
Honestly,
impressive.
if you're,
I know we're not here to talk about this,
if
but
you're around a Bird and Blend shop, pop in and have a
do
sniff.
go in.
Have a sniff.
Yeah,
It's
it's
fabulous.
amazing. Yeah.
I had her opening all sorts of tins, didn't I? I was like,
Yeah,
oh, can I
she
sniff
was
that one?
so
Can I
accommodating.
sniff that one? It's
So
great.
accommodating, and she really knew her stuff as well.
And we all bought tea, to be fair, so she did sell
Absolutely.
probably.
But it wasn't a hard
six-
sell, it was just because
Yeah,
she knew what she was talking about and it made us want it.
I knew what I knew. I wanted some anyway. Yep, okay,
Anyway,
let's
back to the box. So we have got that. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, I like that's like an aubergine colour, isn't it?
I knew you would like it.
I really
And
like
it's like
that.
lace, kind of.
It is. I really like that.
I knew you would.
Because you said you weren't sure.
I knew you would like it.
That's very me.
I'm not
It
sure
even goes well with
that
the
it
colour
was
of my
for
nails.
me, if that makes sense.
Oh, I love that. I really love that. It is like a lace.
It is. I knew you'd love it. As soon as I saw it, because I've watched a couple of unboxings, and as soon as I saw it,
so standing.
as soon as I saw it, I thought, oh, I think Dee's going to really like that.
Oh yes, Dee does really like it. Definitely. So, oh, that's nice too.
And
So
it's
that's
got
the
the
zipper.
lace effect on it as well.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's very pretty.
that's really pretty. I almost feel that would be a waste using it with that, because that would take away the lace on there. You almost want it. No, I know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I think because you've
But
got
with
the
something plain.
yeah,
so
something plain, it would
effect.
really stand out more. But the colour matches, which would be nice. So I don't know yet. Oh, I really
Depends
like
what bag
that.
you're making, I suppose, as well. But yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Love, love, love. Ooh, webbing! Oh my God! We've got matching webbing too.
How beautiful is that?
That's stunning. Oh wow! Oh, I'm loving this. This is going to get made up quickly. After May the 9th.
Yeah.
Just saying.
After the meeting, dear.
But after May the 9th, it will be made up quickly because I
Yeah.
really like this. Really like
Knew
it.
you would.
She knows me so well. You're just waiting for one I don't like, so you can.
Do you know what? I hadn't considered that, but now you've said it, Dee, I might hold you to that. As if there's ever one that you don't like. It's probably unlikely. To be fair.
So, what have we got here before we do those? Oh, so these are the zipper pulls. Oh, they're
Yeah,
like
how
little
beautiful
four-leaf
are they?
clovers.
I think they're the flowers that are on here.
Oh, are they? Yes, they are,
Yeah.
because they've got a middle, so they're not clover.
Yeah.
Duh. So they're the same flowers as that.
Yeah.
They're pretty.
Yeah.
And the brass goes really nice with that colour too.
Well, yeah, and the
The zipper, yeah.
is the same colour.
And then my two little stickers, which are Fabric Museum Curator. Never say that word. My daughter wanted to be a curator. That one. And is it time to sew yet? I think when I'm working, I'll just put that on my screen. Is it time?
Is it? Please, let it be time.
Let it be time. That's another one I need. Let it be time to sew.
Yeah.
So there we go. That's the box, which I'm sure you've already seen from other people. But can I just say I love it?
Good.
So you
And
can
there's
tell
your
us.
patterns.
Yeah, the patterns. Lots of patterns that are in there.
So
today,
we've
Kelly.
got
You're good at that bit.
meet this month's designers. Awesome sew patterns. The Dahlia bag pattern, pronounced. Sorry.
What are you saying that I was saying?
Right, it's Dahlia, pronounced Dahlia.
Okay. Yeah,
So
because
Dahlia.
there's a 2 hours. So it's
It's an L and an I.
Oh, is it?
But yeah, it's just made me laugh because it's almost the same spelling.
It's hard to see it apart to
Yeah.
see the difference.
It's a beautiful structured bag. It's very pretty. You're going to stick a picture
I
on
will
that.
stick a picture up. Yeah.
Okay, with the soft. Oh, I really like that.
Has that got tassely things?
Very 80s. No, it's got like gathers or pleats or something.
Yeah, I will.
think.
I need to find a bigger picture. Sorry, I'm getting a bit old for these little pictures. So I will put a picture up because it's actually, yeah, it's a lovely
Reminds
bag.
me of 80s bags from the 80s.
Yeah.
That's why I like it. Anyway, so it includes a zipper, a closure for extra security, and a braided strap. Ooh, I like that. As well as an adjustable crossbody strap. It's the perfect handbag to go from day to night.
Braided straps, very 80s.
Yes, the whole thing looks to me very
Yeah,
80s, but
and
I love
we
that.
love a bit of 80s.
As you know. And then the Luna backpack from Studio 77 is a mid-sized backpack that is perfect
lovely.
day bag for kids and adults alike. It is birthed rather than bound. I like a birthed bag.
I like a
It's
bag
so
too,
special. It's magical,
yeah.
isn't it?
It is magical.
And features
And it's so neat. Makes everything so neat.
Yes. And features internal bottle sleeve, pen slots, slip pockets, and zipper pocket.
There's also a lot of energy. You expel a lot of calories when you're unbirthing.
Yes,
when you're
it's hard
birthing
work
a bag and you're turning it
it's
through.
quite-
Yeah, I always feel like,
quite
oh god, that was a
exciting. It's
workout.
almost like giving birth, but just on shorter scale. And that pattern comes in with letter and A4 formats and projector. You didn't look for a projector. Projector file.
Well, if there was nothing, I'd just
Along with a
seen
full
it, so.
step-by-step video to help you along the way. And then Oakler Roots. I've never heard of them.
No,
It's
I
the
haven't either.
two-toned...
Is that a clutch?
No, I think it's just a boxy bag. A two-toned boxy bag
Oh, okay.
is
Can't tell that it's
her
boxy in that
most
picture.
popular bag. It's the perfect size for travel and home storage. It comes together quickly and is really fun to make. And you can mix and match the materials, making it a scrap-friendly project. And with Jess's video tutorial so long,
Oh, one for you,
you
Kel.
know you are in safe hands.
Kelly likes us all.
Not allowed to buy patterns at the moment.
Oh yeah.
So yeah,
But you
so
can
that's
next year.
everything.
So yeah, I'll put the pictures up. But
Yes.
anyway, yeah. So there you go. You've all seen it,
Right.
but that's me
Yeah,
liking
you've
it.
seen it a few times already, but
But at least you've got
we
my
liked
reaction.
it too.
Anyway, happy bag making.
Bye.
Bye.